His first dream.
He doesn't like getting his nails clipped.
That family over there is watching him.
Look at him laugh. Look at that kid laugh. It's not funny.
I think it's funny. Why are we recording it?
The other dog's getting pretty mad.
Oh, that's sad.
Everyone's like staring at us. I think we're like sick people. He really doesn't like getting his nails
Whoa,
grinded.
crap, that was close. Wish we had a stand. I'm all wobbly. This has been brought to you by the letter P for Pee Wee.
He's pretty cool. He's hiding his bag.
It's kind of boring now. Turn it.
He's not happy at all.
That big dog doesn't like him.
Yeah, he's not happy.
Whoa.
Oh no, he's biting. Oh God.
I don't know if they can hear.
If you can notice, a lot of the people that have to wear earmuffs because of Pee Wee.
Only one's wearing. Oh, no, two. This kind of gets boring at 4 minutes, 12 seconds.
Cleaning out his ears now. Look at them watching.
Spritz, spritz.
Spraying him with something. This is a quality footage.
Not really.